Woo! So, before we start this video for today, let me have a big shout out for Sir Mark, or Sir Let Me Sleep, or Sir Sensen, right here. And we have Sir J. Pillow Studios and Sir Gundam Deck, for they have met the condition to be shout out on my videos. Okay? So, if you want to be shout out, just complete the video and go to the and reach the end of my videos, and you will see there the mechanics on how you'll be shouted. Okay, that's it. So let's start the video. Let's go back to the video. Woo. Hello, good morning, good day, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Dumbledore Show. And today we will have an unleashing of kit, but it's not a kit. Yep, it's still a kit, but it's not a gunpla, because we will have, or we will unleash again, a bootleg or fake Beyblade. Yep, they are fake Beyblades, and yeah, there's so many of them here in one pack because they are fake. So they're just in the pack on this kind of parcel or pack, like there. Okay, so now let's unleash this with the help of this small cutter, big but small blade cutter. Let's go. Let's unleash. Let's go. Okay, we're done. That's how fast we can unpack it, because I want to get or be surprised of what will I get here on this pack right here. Yeah, so let's have it first, this one, and we will have the, what is this? Okay, so this is your Beyblade X, or a fake Beyblade X Grand Buster. And yeah, this is the one of the latest UX. Yeah, it's called UX, or Ultimate X, or Extreme Ultimate. I don't know what's the meaning. I forgot that. It's not it. I don't know, but I just forgot. Where is that one? I know I already have here an Ultimate. Yep, I have here this one. Yeah, UX Extreme. Still, it's called Extreme Gear Sports. But yeah, it has a UX. It's a new line of Beyblade X. So I think this is the more upgraded Beyblade X that have. And the locks on this one are not metal anymore. They are made up of plastic, but I think it's a hard plastic. Yep. But this is a fake one, okay? So don't expect anything very awesome on this one. But yeah, it still depends on how they will perform on the stadium. So this is your Dran Buster. Yep, the Dran Buster. We have the Dran Sword, the Dran Dagger, and then now the Dran Buster, which it has the same kind of design of the Excalibur series. Yeah, which it has a very unbalanced blade, and also even the ratchet, because it's a 160. Am I right? 160? Where is that Dran Buster right here? Right here. It's, yeah, it's a 160A. Acceleration? Am I right? 160, because the ratchet has only 1 point right here, 1 point, or 1 contact points only, 1 contact point, no S, 1 contact point only. So yeah, very unbalanced. If you will align the blade with the 1 point here of the blade, and then the 1 point here of your ratchet. So yeah, let's see how it will perform. This is a fake one, so I don't know how it will perform on the stadium. So we will just have it on the next videos, which we will have individual review, spin test, and battle. Same with the other blades that we will have here. Okay, so let's have the next one. Let me get, and yeah, we have here your, and wow, what happened? Your Wizard Rad. Yeah, this is a Wizard Rad. This is the evolution of the Wizard Arrow. So this is the next evolution. It's very nice, because as I know, Wizard Arrow, then Wizard Rad, but the Knight Shield, from the Knight Shield to Shield Lance Knight, I forgot the term. Am I right? Yeah, then it stops. But this one, the Wizard Arrow, from being a first line of Beyblade X, they go to the UX, or the ultimate kind of the evolution of the Beyblade. But yeah, again, this is a bootleg, and I already ordered a Wizard Arrow Beyblade, which is the extra, the original one, the original Beyblade X of the Wizard Arrow. So we'll just wait for that. Okay, so yeah, we will have we'll still have the review, a spin battle, spin test, and also I will compare this kits or these Beyblades on the original one. And let's see how they will perform on the stadium also. Okay, so this is the Wizard Rad. Now, let's have next. Let me see. It's like a random one. Oh, yeah. Okay. This is your Hell's Hammer. Yeah. From being a Hell Sight, becomes a Hell's Chain, and now Hell's Hammer. A sight, a chain, and then now it's a hammer. So it has, as I know, this kind of Beyblade, the Hell Sight series, or the Hell series, has a balanced type. Yep, they're not all attacks, but they are balanced. They can be on attack stage, or attack mode, or a defense mode. Okay, so as I know, this is a 360. Okay, 360. Alright, man. Because it doesn't have a box. So, no, it's 370. 370H. And it has this kind of hexagon kind type of bit right here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, right there. I don't know. Oh! Because it's reflecting on our plastic. And it has a hole here, so it's already open. So, yeah, maybe I will have this first on the review and spin test and test battles. So, let's have another one right here. And we have your Sting Unicorn. And yeah, I already have a Sting Unicorn also from a booster pack. And yeah, it's a 570 or 580. Let me see if I have it here. Okay, it's hard. Oh, where's that? Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know where it is, but yeah, I know I have a Sting Unicorn already. So it's a unicorn, and the best part of this unicorn is the other side of the blade has a rounded kind of side, and then this one has some sharp sides of the blade. So it can be a defense and also an attack mode of the Sting Unicorn. Okay, so 5, and the ratchet is 5 contact points. I don't know if this is called flat also of the bit, but yeah, this is your Sting Unicorn. Very nice. Also, I will compare this to the original one, which I already have here. Okay, next, let's see. Whoa, I forgot the name of this one. I forgot. But yeah, we have here this one. Oh, I forgot. Salamander. It's not a salamander. It's like a wyvern kind of oh, yeah, I forgot the name. Yeah, I really forgot the name because I still don't have the original of this one. So yeah, but the nice part of this kind of Beyblade, the blade has some kind of aerodynamic holes here on its blade. So yeah, and also the contact points is 5 contact points on its ratchet. So it's like a 570, 560, 580 kind. And then the bit of this one is rounded. It's like rounded, but the gears are really, or the teeth of the gears are really on the bottom part of our bit right there. So it's nice also. I forgot wyvern. It's a wyvern also. Yeah. Okay, so next one is this one. Whoa. This is your, I know I have this one also. Let me get it. Let me have a sample. Yeah, this is called the, where's the name, man? Give me the name. Sphinx Cowl. This is your Sphinx Cowl. And as I know, this is kind of a defense type. Am I right? But yeah, the edges, I don't know if it's a defense type, but yeah, because it's very rounded, but there are some edges on the side also, which it can be sharp also, which can cause an attack, a recoil for other Beyblades. So this is your Sphinx Cowl, very nice also. And yeah, this is the winning on the random booster. This is the winning bay of the random booster, because you can have it on a random booster on the original Beyblade X. So I already have it, and I bought the set, so I know I have the winning prize of this Sphinx Cowl already. But I also have the other form of Sphinx Cowl. It's the white, and is it the white one? Oh yeah, it is the black and then the white also. Yeah, I have there. So I have all the 3 kind of Sphinx Cowl. So yes, still it's still a backlog. And the last one is I also have this one already. This is your Phoenix Phoenix, I forgot the full name. Phoenix, what kind of Phoenix? Yeah, I have here also the Phoenix Wing. Right there. Since the Phoenix Wing is the original one, still a backlight also. I still need to open that. This is a Phoenix Wing of the bootleg or the fake Phoenix Wing of the Beyblade X. So yeah, they said that this is very nice also, and the contact points are how many? Let me see. Let me have it. The contact points is 960. It has some little contact points on the ratchet. I don't know what is the meaning or what will be the help or the sense of these contact points, which is the, yeah, if your bay is lower, they will really get the ratchet. They will really hit the ratchet. But if you high kind, or do you have the same height of your opponent of the bay, so you will just reach the bay, or yeah, the blade only. So yeah, but yeah, it's nice to have different kinds of ratchet, and it has the different effects on the performance of our Beyblades on the stadium. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7. Yeah, 7 new Beyblade. Yep, they're fakes. They're all fakes. So yeah, don't expect anything very nice on them because they are fakes. So yeah, let's just expect the unexpected on some points. Maybe the ratchet will be destroyed, some of the bits will be destroyed. So yeah, especially if I will compete this or will have a battle with the original ones. So maybe it will really burst or it will be destroyed. But I'm ready. So this kit will be destroyed because yeah, they're just fakes. They're very cheap. All of this is only, I think I bought this for only 600 to 700 pesos. But that price already, you can only buy one Beyblade. Especially that price is only on the random, or no, the price is only on the random booster or a booster pack kind of Beyblade. There's no launcher. But yeah, for that price, I already have how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Beyblades already. Okay, yeah, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and this is our unleashing of our fake Beyblade X. Yep. So yeah. Okay, so we'll have a spin test, a review, a spin test, test battles, and yeah, test battles, and some of the shorts that I will have on my YouTube channel also, which they have some battles, and also I will have a video already on the battles of different Beyblades, and yeah, I will try to read the manga of the Beyblade X so that I can have some battles from the manga going to the reality, and let's see if the effect or the result will be the same on the manga and on the reality. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like these kinds of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to be informed for my next videos. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gunpowder Show signing off. Bye. 3, 2, 1. Huh? What's that? 3, 2, 1. Go shoot. Or let it rip. Bye. Woo! So, if you reach this part of my video, please comment down there below hashtag Jake the Beyblader and have the chance to be shout out on our next video. That's it. Thank you so much. Peace out.